Hey guys, Tepdon here from breakingoptions.com, and I wanted to do a little video on butterflies and showing you how we picked this setup on August 20th and found a way to lower the price of the option, which was a little pricey based on the current VIX. Right? We have a high VIX right now, which means all options are elevated, but still be able to reap the reward, and even a better reward than buying the straight calls. So first, what we did, we used our Fibonacci levels and we identified a price target, which was basically based around the all-time highs of 214.17. Our Fib level actually brought us to 212.05. So we wanted to set up what we call a butterfly, which is a three-legged option trade around that 212.05 area. Now, I know it sounds a lot scarier than it is, guys, but it's very easy to do, the butterfly. So what we did is, and this is the last leg of the trade I have on. We've scaled out of most of it. This one's actually holding it into tomorrow to see if we can get max gains. But what we do is we buy a 207.50 call. So we bought one at $1.47. You sell two of the middle strike, the 212.50 calls. So we sold two of those at 59 cents. And then you have to buy one 217.50 call for 26 cents. This creates what you call a butterfly. Now, I had bought 10 of these to start. This gave us a net cost on this option or on this butterfly of 45 cents. Okay, just add one, subtract this twice, and add that, it'll be 45 cents. So number one, we spent 45 cents, and all I really wanted was the 207.50 calls. But I spent 45 cents on this butterfly instead of spending $1.47. So I saved myself roughly, I don't know, 75% right off the bat, a little less, okay? But look at this, guys. Right now, if you add up the current price closing today, it is worth $2.91, okay? That's a 600% plus gain. Now, we've scaled out of most of this. We make our first sale for half of our position at 100%. Then we sold some at 200%, then 300%, then 400%. And now basically we have one contract left. But this trade in total will be over 1,000% using less risk, because this butterfly was 45 cents, and giving us more gains percentage-wise. Because right now it's 600%. Let's say we pin it at 212.50. Well, it'll be way over 1,000%. Not that I think that's going to happen. But we maximize the trade. If we were just using and just bought the call and didn't use a butterfly in this market, right? It would have cost us $1.47. So we would have made on the trade maybe a little over 100%, 200% roughly. And scaling out, we wouldn't have been able to do that. And our risk would have been much greater. So that is the benefit right now of using a butterfly in this market because of the elevated VIX levels. And we gave this alert to all of our members. Oh, let me show it to you live right here, August 20th, guys. Here's the butterfly. We were stopping at 20 cents. So we actually only had a 25-cent risk. Okay, there's the butterfly. We originally, when we looked at it, it was 50 cents. When we entered it, we got it for 45 cents. They actually gave us a deal. But if we were to just buy, like I said, those calls that we were originally looking at, it would have cost us $1.47. So you really want to learn and be able to use butterflies in this market with this ridiculously high elevated VIX, because both calls and puts are extremely expensive now. So you have to take advantage of this strategy. And if you guys are interested, we have a special going on now with free classes for life till the end of August with any silver or gold membership. And the classes actually do include the butterfly strategy. That's one of our 13 already pre-recorded classes. Just look in the description below and you can find the link to sign up. Thank you and have a good night.